everybody. Hope you guys have had a good week. We have been blessed here in Colorado Springs to have some good weather for about the past week here. Up until about 2 days ago, we got a fresh snow. So me and Elias are going to jump up to the mountains, do a little camping in it. Hopefully it's still fresh up there. Most of it's melted down here. But yeah, it's going to be a fun weekend. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, be sure to hit the like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. We appreciate it all. We're just two friends who are having fun in Colorado, posting what we do all the time. So if you enjoy that kind of content, follow along. That looks pretty snowy.
Oh, I know.
Hey.
Nah. Chill, bud.
I think they'll be all right. Stuck. Just a little bit. I am a little stuck. All right, you ready? She a little icy. kind of like that camp spot. All right, what do we find?
Flat ground. Let us know.
Good camp spot. Let's do it. All right, this is a sick camp spot, dude. Did you know about this one, or we just kind of stumbled upon it?
Look at that view.
Yeah, got Signal Butte in the background. That's sick. Wow, look at that view. Temperature's starting to drop a little bit. Had to break out the Carhartt beanie and the Carhartt jacket, but we're just gonna hang out here by the fire. We just enjoyed some good dinner. Yeah, we're just gonna have a blast and hang out. This is the setup we're rocking with tonight. Got the Teton bag. Got the 0 degree just in case. This one's rated for -35, but pretty comfy little situation we got here. So, see you guys in the morning.
All right, about to hit it. We have the Teton bag. And right over here, you can see a -30 bag just in case. It's not too cold though. But yeah, pretty comfy. See you in the morning.
Good morning. We are both just sitting in our trucks right now, charging up our phones because it was so cold last night that they died up in the tents. So we're charging those up. We're gonna make breakfast here in a second. Yeah. we making for breakfast?
Some eggs, scrambled eggs with some hash browns on top, and some peppers, and some pepper jack cheese. It was gonna be pretty dang good.
Heck yeah. All right, guys, we're leaving camp right now, so that'll be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. We'd appreciate it all. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.